So sorry I don't look, wow, that backlighting is not doing anything for anybody, and this is it. Oh, okay, I'm just gonna get this close. Sorry I don't look cute. This is not what this video is about. Today, I'm in my pajamas and I am decluttering my wardrobe. It's not today, it's actually like 7 o'clock at night. I've got 2 hours until Love Island starts. Check my Instagram because I'm gonna do a little blog post, a blog posty style Instagram thing on how I'm feeling about Love Island this year. But a total side note, I'm gonna declutter the shithole that is my wardrobe right now. It is, I can't deal with this lighting. My wardrobe is everything that is wrong with everything that's wrong with consumerism, and I need to get rid of some stuff. So if you're new here, I'm on a little bit of a sustainable journey to get kind of start shopping more consciously, because I was one of those people that would go into Primark every time I went into Primark and spend about 100 quid on shit I didn't need, and I never would wear once because it was so cheap, and then I'd just get rid of it. So I have started shopping more consciously. I've started shopping second hand or from sustainable brands, but the next step of this is to kind of declutter what's already in my wardrobe. And Maria Kondo style, does it bring me joy? Yes, no. Do I need it in my life? Yes, no. I think the main reason I'm doing this is I really need to know what I do have, because I feel like at the moment I don't know what I actually have. So when I try and buy something, I don't even know if I've got something that's already similar to it, because I don't really know what's in my wardrobe. So this is kind of my main rail of clothes I wear like all the time, but I have a whole other wardrobe over here of stuff. Then I have these drawers here as well. I just need to do something about it, man. So that's what I'm gonna take you with me doing today. You're gonna help me do it, basically. So the main thing for me, yeah, is figure out what I've got, and figure out if I need it, and then I'm gonna split my kind of piles into one for Depop, one for a couple for charity, probably. Okay, there'll be more than one bag for charity, and then stuff that I just can't do anything with, so I guess I'll take to I'm not really sure what you do with stuff you can't do anything with. Let me know. Like stuff that you can't really take to a charity shop. I guess it's just gonna have to go to the rubbish, isn't it? But that is exactly why we need to stop buying, because this is the situation. I'm gonna get everything out and I'm gonna show you the extent of my wardrobe. So firstly, this is my rail, and this is the clothes you'll see behind me when I'm filming. This is what I wear on a kind of like weekly basis. Like, well, obviously not all of it, but this is my like, these are the clothes I actually wear, to be honest. The majority of these, even some, like some of the denim and stuff, I don't. Like there's shorts in here that I know I don't wear that often, skirts. But this is the majority of stuff that I wear, kind of. This is the majority of stuff that I wear. This is my capsule wardrobe, if anything. Then I'm gonna take you over to the other one. Literally, you can't even see into it. That is this wardrobe. And there's piles like under here as well of more clothes. I obviously can't be using this stuff, but I mean, there's a lot in here that is more special. So it's stuff that gets worn on kind of like a more special occasion, and like heavier weight stuff that's like not being worn at the moment because it's slightly warmer. So I want this wardrobe to be my specialist stuff, and the more heavyweight stuff, that's what I want this to become. So yeah, that's step one. And then I have this wardrobe here, which is a mess, and basically I need to sort this out. This, to be honest, is a lot of stuff I don't wear at all that can just go to charity. Then I've got my handbags here, which I really want a better place for those. And then these are like shorts and stuff as well. Like there is literally something with the tag on there. Like, oh my, we need to sort this situation out. So let's get into the declutter. This is from the Museum del Barrio. This is something I definitely will be keeping. My stepmom works there, and it's a museum in New York, and I would recommend visiting if you're ever in the city. It's on Museum Mile. Travel blogger. This is going to be this whole video is just me being silly, isn't it? No. Come on, let's do this. I love these boots. Aren't they fun? They were actually thrifted. They were from a charity shop. They're H&M originally though, but So cool. Can we just appreciate this is a pile of clothes from one of the wardrobes. I don't know whether I should tackle this, then get onto the next one. Thinking, tackle this first, then move on to the next bit. Then, yeah, I feel like that's the best way to do this. I'm not coming back. You're in my train. Now if you're anything like me, you just might be doing whatever it takes to drown on the storm. Thought I'd stop there. So I've already made a pile for Depop, a pile for charity, and these are all the things I'm keeping, which I know may look excessive, but it's all pieces that are special to me or wear winter clothes basically. This dress, however, it's not as tiny as it looks. It is like folded over. I mean, it is tiny. I think it's an 8. It's a 10, but it is a tiny dress. It's just from Boohoo, but this dress, it probably won't fit me anymore. I'm probably like a 14 now. I might try and get it on the end of the video just to show you guys what it looks like. This dress literally makes me feel like the sexiest thing in the whole, or used to make me feel like the sexiest thing in the whole world back when I dressed like this. I do not dress like this anymore. If this is your first video here, you can watch some others, go see my style, subscribe while you're here. And yeah, I loved this dress, so I'm gonna try and get it on at the end of the video, I think. Poses for thumbnail. Put it down a bit more maybe. Oh, posing for thumbnails with no makeup on. So chill about life. Keep going, shall we? Playboy jumper. Makes me wanna stay. Oh, this ain't a small town, fun time thing. You always light me up like a flame. It's clear. Every time you're near. Okay. This is intense. That's the next wardrobe. And not even those drawers bits, literally. How did I let this happen? Please. I'm feeling overwhelmed, but it's okay. I'm gonna get it done. I'm gonna get it done. So, we're getting there. This is the height of the pile for charity. Still a little one for Depop. This is still what we're working with right now, but on a good path. Let's carry on. How many times am I gonna say let's carry on in this video? Whoa. Oh, I wish I could fit into these. What size are they? Please. They're a 10. I'm never going to fit into these. I might try and make myself. They've got a stretch. Oh no, I have no stretch whatsoever, actually. I take that back fully. They are J.W. Anderson when J.W. Anderson did a collection for Topshop. That's how much of a fan I am. Now I have a frigging Loewe bag. This was me pre-designer, but still knew a king when I saw one. J.W. Anderson, cat trousers from J.W. Anderson X Topshop. This collection was everything. Oh my god, it's got the J.W. Anderson button. I'm determined to make these fit me. Another thing to try on for the end of the video. Stay tuned for the hilarity.
Joke at a time like this. I know why, 'cause this is what you wanted all along now, isn't it? I think that all you ever really ever wanted was a reason to complain. That never stopped you before, don't let it get in your way.
So we're getting there. I have enlisted the help of my mother to help me bag up the stuff that's going to charity, and she's made me a cup of tea. So, not very focused on me, are you, camera? Focus on the background nicely. Not me. Yeah, so I'm just gonna drink this. Continue with the palaver I've created for myself. We're putting it back in the wardrobe.
Is it only me? Am I the only one who sees?
When you're not strong, it won't be long. You know, don't need somebody to lean on.
The way you laugh, the way you smile, it drives me wild. Some might say it's futile. The way I feel is past.
So close to being done. That's all the hangers from all the stuff. This is my needed to sell pile. Depop link down below. My last bit of stuff I need to put in a bag for the charity shop. 2 bags for the charity shop there. Last few things that need to go away. Cardi that needs to go on the rail. Last few things that need to go in the drawers. It's dark outside now. Yeah. Me again. That needs to go in there. Bed clear. Wardrobe's done. 3 bags for charity. Rail looking so much clearer. Here is my pile of stuff that is going to the going on Depop. So you can't really see anything in there, but check over on my Depop, and that all hopefully should all be up there by the time this video goes up. And here we have wardrobe 1. So this is the stuff I said that was special and that is warmer weather. So I've got all my all my woolly jumpers. Are you gonna focus? Yeah, all my woolly jumpers, like here, like this, basically this whole thing is like winter stuff, like winter jumpers. And then this stuff is like my special stuff, so like blazers, jackets, anything kind of designer, and fancier dresses as well. Here we have everything else, so you can see like I can actually like move my clothes now. I can actually see what I've got. It's so nice. So yeah, that is everything there, all sorted. Got some coats in there, some, yeah, just stuff, a lot of stuff I love basically. And then down here, so there's my handbags, and then down here this is some more tops and some more bottoms as well. So it is so different from how it was before. I'm so proud. And now I'm going to bed. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. See you in my next one. I'll be wearing a bra then. I promise.